Hello and everyone, this is Krishna here. In this video I am going to discuss about intersecting reference plane. So this is tutorial number 39, CATIA for beginner. So tutorial 39, CATIA beginner, intersecting reference plane. So how it is used? It is very simple. As we know, we have discussed beginner also, and I think you guys know that because it's very popular and it's very unique, and it is most of the software it is regularly it is used. So you need to choose the plane, why which angle or which point or which distance from the offset from the one plane to another plane, the requirement, what requirement you have on that uh, location or the base point, you can create a new plane. So creation of the new plane is called intersecting reference plane. So let's start the tutorial. So this is the previous examples. So I'm going to start the intersecting reference plane. So go to a start, and now you can find the shape. Now you can able to see generative shape design. So you just go to shape and you will find a generative shape design. So once you will click generative shape design, so you will get plane here in the icon of right side. So there is three tabs. This is the plane, and this is the point representation, and this is the plane between. So I'm going to select this plane. Now select the it is asking to reference plane, by reference which you, where you want. I will select from here, or you can select from there also. So this is the plane, and it is reference YZ plane, and it is 20 mm. I'll take 30 mm distance from offset from this plane. Take preview, click OK. So this is the one type plane, and I will choose points representation. Yeah, so this is a plane. I have complete plane one type. So this is the another type. So we'll discuss in the next video. So in this plane there are several types. So just click OK. Now here it is the several number of plane which types you want. So let me confirm. I complete offset from the plane first, then second one parallel to the point, then angle to the plane. Then you can see the several number of option you have. Then I'll choose the through point and line, and you can choose any one. I will go through the through 3 points. Select the 3 point. Now I'll choose the plane XY. Now it is the place where it is located at 30 mm length. So I will select the 3 point. Now select the 3 point. It is asking 1 point, 2 point, 3 point. So I will choose the 3 point. So this is my first point, this is second point, and now you can choose third point. So I'll choose, this is the third point. So now click preview and click OK. So this is our plane. This is the three. They are intersecting the all the 3 point, 1 point, 2 point, and this 3 point. So it will intersecting all three plane a point, and then it create the new plane. So this is called intersecting plane in CATIA. So I hope you understand. So let me give you one more example. So select the plane, and here it is offset parallel to the through point, angle to the next plane through the point, 2 point, parallel normal to the curve, tangent to the surface. Let's confirm the tangent to the surface. So select the surface, it's selected the surface 2, and select the point. So I'm going to select the point. This is the point. So it is going to take the surface. Okay, so this I have selected, this is the surface, so it is parallel to this surface, this plane. So this is called uh, in CATIA intersecting reference plane. So I hope you understand this tutorial. So I'll meet you for next video in next coming 40th of CATIA tutorials. Thank you for watching.